Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and today we're showing you a really nice 17 Pacifica with low miles, only 88,530. Nice, clean, got a little bit of a ding. Somebody backed in there, maybe a little bit on that rear, on that front bumper. But boy, otherwise, Arizona vehicle, no rust. It's just like the inside of the doors are like brand new. Just a cloth one, power seat, 88,564 is the mileage. Got power sliding doors, stow and go. So if you're looking for a nice, affordable van that got low miles, this will fit. It comes with our warranty, 12-month, 12,000 mile comprehensive warranty, drivetrain, suspension, steering, fuel, AC, electrical. So it doesn't cover everything, but it covers more than most people do. And we recommend you buy a longer one, 36 months or 48, just because of repair cost anymore. So need a nice van, low miles, this will fit the bill. 605-692-7010.